using the atomic and molecular balances. So ito iba naman. Molecular and atomic balances. Calculate the theoretical oxygen required for the mixture with a given composition in percentage by mole. So, molecular balance tayo. So, molecular balance natin, can you guys calculate for me? Is this giving us 100? 54 plus 22 is 76 plus 10, 86 plus 4, 90 plus 10. Tama. So, ang assumption natin, mole na ano to? Fuel as our basis. So, if it's 100 moles, we can say here that number of moles niya is, unahin natin yung 54. 54, 22, 10, 7, 4, and 3. So here, C3H8, let's add oxygen to form carbon dioxide and water vapor. Kasi di ba ang kailangan natin theoretical oxygen, guys? So since it's theoretical oxygen that we need, we don't care about the incomplete combustion, because for theoretical oxygen to be calculated, your assumption is that everything reacts completely to form carbon dioxide, water vapor, SO2. That's it. So in here, C4H10 reacts with oxygen to form carbon dioxide and water. This is CH3OH reacts with oxygen to form CO2 and water vapor again. 7% of CH3SH reacting with O2, CO2 plus H2O plus SO2, 4% of H2S, again reacting with oxygen to form H2O plus SO2, and lastly H2, reacting with O2 to form H2O. So let's balance here. We need 3. Ilang hydrogen? This is 8. So this is 4. Tama? So how many oxygen do we need, guys? How much do I need? 10 na oxygen. So, ano dapat to? Diba? You know, 6 plus 4, 10. So this would be 5. Very good. So in here, we need 4. And then we need 5 water. So all in all, 8 plus 5 is 13. So this would be 13 halves. Next, 1, 4. So this is 2. Ang oxygen ko, 2 and 2, 4. So here, I need, ay, kaya lang isang oxygen. Minus 1. That's just 3 halves. Kasi may isang oxygen sa reactant. Next, C1 is to 1. H is 4. So I need 2 in here. Sulfur is 1 is to 1. Tapos, let's go to oxygen now. 2, 4, 6. So we need 3. Next, H2 is okay. S is okay. Now O2. 2 plus 1, 3. So this is 3 halves. Lastly, H2 is okay. This is 1 half. So since we're looking for the theoretical amount of oxygen, guys, what I would like you to focus more is each of the coefficients of the oxygen. Diba? So, kung 1 mole nito, 5 moles ito, eh ilang moles ba ng C3H8 meron? 54. Diba? 54, guys, times 5, ilan yun? 54 times 5. So that means 270 moles yung sa taas. 13 halves times 22, ilan? 13 halves times 22, 143. Next is 3 halves times 10. Tama ba? 15. 3 times 7 is 21. 3 halves times 4 is 6. 1 half times 3 is 1.5. So guys, can you please add this for me? 456.5 moles of O2 is yung theoretical oxygen natin. Do you understand how to solve this? Again, by the way, guys, this is the molecular balance. Okay. Now let's go to the atomic balance kasi at times we will be asking you to solve. It depends on which one's easier depending on the given. So the components are again C3H8, C4, H10, CH3OH, CH3, SH, H2S, and H2. So let's write here the number of moles of each component, number of carbon, number of hydrogen, number of sulfur, and O2 present. Okay, guys, here, this is 54, 22, 10, 7, 4, 3. So guys, ilang carbon atoms ang meron sa C3H8, guys? Tas given ka na number of moles, ilang total ka? Ilang moles of carbon atoms ang meron ako? 162. Ilang hydrogen? Can you give this to me? 432. There's no sulfur, there's no oxygen molecule. In here, what's 4 times 22? 88 ba? 22 times 10, 220. There's no sulfur, there's no oxygen. Ilang carbon? 1 times 10 is 10. Ilang hydrogen? 4 times 10 is, there's no sulfur. Ilang oxygen molecules, guys? Ilang molecules ng O2? Ilang moles ng O2, di ba? Kasi this is O. 10, kung O siya, eh O2 hiningi ko, eh divided by 2. 5. So CH3SH, 3 times 1, ay 3 times 1, 7 times 1, tapos ito 4 times 7 is 28. Ilang sulfur? 87. Tama? And then wala siyang oxygen. H2S, walang carbon. Ang hydrogen niya 2 times 4 is 8. Ang sulfur niya is 1 times 4. Wala siyang oxygen. Lastly, ang H2, wala nito. Ilan siya? H2 eh H lang to. So this is 6. Wala. Wala. So let's get the total of each. Guys, can you please tally this for me? 162 plus 88 plus 10 plus 7. 267. Next, please. 734. Next, please. 11, no? Next is 5. And do take note of this formula. Look at the one on top. C plus H over 4 plus S minus O2. So I can say that PuO2 is C plus sulfur plus H over 4 minus O2. So ilan yung C natin? 267. Ilan yung S? 11. And then 1/4 ng H, 734. Minus ang O2 ko is 5. Guys, can you please total this for me? This is 456.5 moles of O2. Take note of the one in front, 456.5 moles of O2. Again, this is based on the balance equation. Nag-molecular balance ako. Molecules ang sinusolve ko ng oxygen agad. In here, nag-atomic balance ako. For each atom, there is this formula. I should be getting the same. Okay?